Hello everybody, this is George with Melnix Automotive. In this video, I'll show you how to retrieve radio code if you run in a situation like this. In most cases, you could go ahead and press the power button for about 3 seconds. And as you could see, in my case it did not work, but in your case it will retrieve the radio code and it will put it in automatically and the radio will unlock. But you could see I already tried 5 times and it didn't work. In my case, we put a new radio in this car. This car had a broken screen. We put a new radio. It's a new used radio. I just want to make sure you guys understand me. It's not brand new out of the box. It used to belong to another car, but it's obviously not retrieving the code, and the code is not working. So I'll show you how to go ahead and do it. Another mistake that was done, before I put the radio in, I should have went ahead and there was a little sticker on the radio that I could have copied the serial number and called the dealer, and he would have converted that into a code. In my case, I didn't do that because I wanted to make this video just in case you run into the same situation. So this is a base model Acura. This is a 2017 or 2018 Acura MDX. So I'll show you how to retrieve the serial number, and then we'll convert that into a code. So this vehicle is a base model. I'm going to be using 3 buttons: setting, info, and back. I'm going to press these 3 buttons at the same time, and I'm going to hold it for about 5 seconds. And as you can see, I got select diagnosis screen. With this screen, you could do a lot of things. You could check for trouble codes without a scan tool. We could also go in and check the information we need to check. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this knob here. I'm going to scroll down. If you look at my screen, if you keep scrolling, it'll just be kind of bouncing back and forth. So I'm going to go to detailed information and setting, and I'm going to use enter to get in there. Next, what I need to do, I need to get in there and find here. I believe it's going to be unit check, and I'm going to kind of ECU information. All right, so as you could see right on the screen, I got a serial number. What you want to do, you want to take that, write that number down, call a dealer, and ask for parts department. Don't call service because they're going to try to charge you some money. So we're going to go ahead and copy that number. Then I'm going to go ahead and call my local Acura dealership. You could also go to a website and do it through the website. But I'm going to call a dealer, give him that code, and he's going to give me a code to unlock the radio. So let's do that. I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to copy that code, and I'm going to call the dealer and have him convert that to a radio code. All right, so I went ahead and called the dealer. I got the code, and for this specific radio, there's possibility of 2 codes. First one is usually the one that always gonna work for you. It's 44615, and we're gonna pop that in. Possibility there's another code, which it's not the code for sure. This vehicle does not have navigation, but you could also go to this website, www.radio-navicode.acura.com. If you have a Honda, you're just gonna go radio-navigationcode.honda.com. It's the same website. You put your VIN number, you put your serial number in there, and your email and your phone number. It will instantly spit out a code for you. So let's go ahead and enter that code, okay? So we got 44615. So 44615. If I hit OK, it should unlock the radio. Let's see what happens. There you go. So if you guys have this kind of issue, this is how you go ahead and retrieve the code for any Honda or Acura vehicle. I just showed you really quickly. You could save yourself, $65, maybe $100. Depends what some dealers in different cities, they charge different rates. but I just went ahead and unlocked it myself. And if you replace a radio from another car, you would have to do the same thing because your computer will not recognize that code. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive.